Welcome to Maths for You YouTube channel. A past question on coordinate geometry from Cambridge International. A straight line cuts the positive x-axis at A and the positive y-axis at B. Its coordinate 0, 2. Angle BAO is 1/6 pi radians, where O is origin. Find the exact value of the x coordinate of A. Let's do this first. The sketch, the line cuts the x-axis, positive side of it, and cuts the y-axis on the positive side of it, and its coordinate 0, 2. A coordinates, I just put it x and 0, which we need to find. The angle given BAO is pi by 6. So if I could, that's a sketch from the triangle AOB. Triangle AOB is a right angle triangle. Tan pi by 6 equal the opposite side over the adjacent, OB over OA. The tan pi by 6, 1 over root 3, as students should know about it, is a standard value for 30 degrees, and equal OB is 2 divided by OA. From that, OA is 2 root 3. So therefore, the value of the x coordinate of A is 2 root 3, but coordinates of A is 2 root 3, 0. Then the second part, find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB, giving your answer in the form of y equal mx plus c, where m is given exactly, and c is an integer. Okay. So they just mentioned about exactly, so just don't go into sort of decimal places using calculator, so we don't need it. So the bisector of AB, therefore that it cuts the AB line in the midpoint of AB line and perpendicular, of course. C is the point of, I just wrote it, C is the point of bisector, cut the line AB. I just named it as C. The C, coordinates of C is the midpoint of AB, therefore 2 root 2, the x coordinate of A, plus x coordinate of B divided by 2, and the y coordinate of B and A divided by 2, so whichever. Right, C is root 3 and 1. So C coordinate of C is root 3 and 1. The gradient of AB is simply the y, the difference between the y coordinates over x coordinates. So 0 minus 2. 0 is the y coordinates of A, and y coordinates of B divided by x coordinate of A minus x coordinate of B. So 0 minus 2 divided by root 3, 2 root 3 minus 0. From that, 2 cancel, is a minus there, therefore 1 over root 3. The gradient of AB is 1 over root 3. Therefore, again, so AB is a perpendicular to bisector, of course, perpendicular bisector. So we know that equation M1, M2, so M1, M2 equal minus 1. Therefore, M2 equal minus 1 over M1. M1 is minus root 3, minus 1 over root 3, therefore the positive root 3. So the gradient of bisector is positive root 3 because of the AB and the bisector are perpendicular, therefore the gradients, multiplication of gradients is minus 1. That's a standard coordinate geometry fundamental. Great equation of bisector. It's again y minus 1, just using that the point C. So y minus 1 over x minus root 3, that is equal to root 3, because y minus 1, the y coordinate of C, y minus 1, x minus y coordinate of C, equal the gradient. Because of this left hand side gradient, right hand side gradient, equating it, we end up with y equal, so y minus 1 is equal to root 3, x minus root 3, and then remove the bracket, root 3x minus the root 3 times root 3 is minus 3, and take the minus 1 to the other side, positive 1. Therefore, y equal root 3x 2. So the exact value, so we don't need to go do any calculator work. So y equal root 3x minus 2. That's the equation of the bisector. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and share the contents with your friends and other fellow students. Thank you.